Hello and welcome back to Tools for Sparks for another exciting episode discovering some new Unilite Worklight products. So we've got here today this Unilite IL-375R and this WCFL12. It's two slightly different products with different use cases, but they're new to me and I just wanted to share them with you guys and share with you my first impressions. So let's get them open. But first, make sure you like, subscribe. Let's go. So here we have a very small and deliciously beautiful pen light. Now you might have seen me reviewing a slightly larger version of this, which I did a comparison video on between this and my Unilite SLR1000, which was my sort of favourite Unilite to date. This is a smaller version of that. In fact, let me show you just so that we can do a size comparison. So actually size-wise, they are pretty similar. This small one is the IL-375R and the larger one is the IL-925R. And usually the numbers indicate the lumens, just so you're aware with Unilite products. But they look kind of similar in size but different in brightness, and actually this one's a lot lighter and the shaft is actually a lot thinner, so that's important to note. Now, as opposed to the other one that I just showed you, this is an all plastic case and it is a smaller, cheaper product, but it is amazingly bright still and it has some great features. So you've got a light on the front here, you've got a light on the back here, and then the little torch on the end like I mentioned. So it's a very versatile little work light that it's so small that you could pretty much stick it in your top pocket, and in fact that's how it is designed. See this little clip here? You could actually clip that in your pocket, turn it on, and you can almost have it just shining on the work surface in front of you, which is really, really nice. It is very bright, and as always it charges up with a little USB-C cable that they provide. And what I do like as well about Unilite is that they always give you a sticker. They have these lovely stickers for your sticker wall. In fact, if you'd like a Tools for Sparks sticker, let us know in the comments below and join our Discord. Then you can get a Unilite, well, not a Unilite sticker, you can get a Tools for Sparks sticker if we do a sticker swap in our Discord chat there. Lovely thing about these as well, scan for manual, so that's brilliant. You know, no wasted paper, no cutting down of trees unnecessarily. We've all got a smartphone now, we can just scan the QR code and get the manual up so that we don't, you know, need to be faffing around with instructions that, let's face it, we're only going to throw them in the bin anyway. That is this light. Now there's not a lot to say about this. I think that might be a magnet, so let me check. Again, I just love Unilite because they think of everything. See, they've made this magnetic, you know, which you might think is unnecessary, but actually here you've got a magnet and here you've got a magnet, which means it just magnetizes onto, you know, any surface that you need it to. So you can magnetize it on, stick it on, use it to do your work. Absolutely genius and just, you know, fantastic design. I mean, in terms of design, Unilite are one of my favourite tool companies out there at the moment because they really think through and design their products in a way to help the people who use them to make their life easier. Now it's got a magnet on the back here as well, obviously, like the other one. So you've got that option too. So magnet there, magnets there. You've got all the flexibility that you need for a little pen light like this. You can stick it in your pocket or you can magnetize it to something that you're working on. Absolutely awesome. So I'll leave a link below where you can get yourself one of these. Now let's have a look at this other one. Now this is a proper torch. You might not have seen one of these for a while. As electricians, we don't tend to use proper torches that much. We tend to use head torches or those little work lights like the one that I've showed you. But actually this is really cool. So let me show you some of the features of this. Obviously it's got all your usual Unilite gadgetry like the USB charging point. So this is our on off button at the back here. So that turns it on, turns it off, right? Once you've turned it on, if you want to make it more bright, you press the power button at the top. Brighter, 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 and then completely dim. So again, it's got 4 brightness settings as usual, and as you can see, that is super bright. I'll see on the packaging what it says. It's 1200 lumens, and in terms of the distance, oh yeah, here we go. Wow, that is some insane distance right there. So 251 meters. So it's actually too bright, you won't be able to see it if I shine the torch on it, so I'll just leave it there. 251 meters at full power, and it will last 2 hours. Mid brightness, 450 lumens, 172 meters, 4 hours battery life. Low, 50 lumens, 54 meters, 25 hours battery life. And eco, 10 lumens, 21 meters, 200 hours battery life. So I mean, that's an insane distance. 250 meters, you know, that is a long way for this light to travel. And the reason it does so, let me show you the lens. So in here, see this, you've got quite a depth here to this lens, and that really directs the light powerfully in one direction. So you've got a very powerful beam of light shining out of this torch. So to be honest, as an electrician, I might not really have much of a use for this, but as a homeowner, if I want to find my way around the house at night, or check for burglars in the garden, or see if that hedgehog has been squished on the road and needs a bit of help, or, you know, as a security guard running around site chasing people away for trying to film where they shouldn't be and stuff like that, there's a lot of interesting use cases for this. It's a torch at the end of the day. It's a flashlight. It does what, you know, flashlights do, but it does it very well because it's made by Unilite and they design products that are quite ingenious. So another little feature of this is obviously it does have a magnet in. It's not a very powerful magnet, but the magnet is actually so that you can wirelessly charge it up on their wireless charging pad. So I'll show you that quickly. So I've done another video about this. The wireless charging pad, you plug it in using a USB-C like that, and then any Unilite products just magnetize to it, and then you can wirelessly charge them up. See that? It's now wirelessly charging using my Unilite wireless charging pad, which is really cool. You know, when was the last time you saw a wireless charging flashlight? I've certainly never seen one. Let me know in the comments if you have, but I just think that's really cool. So these two fantastically intriguing Unilite products are available to all of you guys at a special discount. We get 25% off using our special code that's in the description. We're sharing that with you. So if you would like to get your hands on some of these, head to the link in the description where you can get a brilliant deal on these lovely Unilite Worklights and any other Unilite products. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you like and subscribe for more video content coming soon, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.